Tips for a greener lifestyle. Go for products that come in bulk. Go for biking, walking, or commuting to consume less gas and lessen traffic congestion. For economical paper use electronic messaging and print only what you need. Use recycled paper and print on both sides. Go for recycled shopping bags. Bring your own bag to the grocery or market. Go for reusable utensils instead of disposable ones. Go for compact fluorescent light bulbs instead of older incandescent bulbs. Turn off lights when not in use. Go for a compost pit for food waste instead of throwing them away. Go for a faucet aerator to reduce splashing and save water. Turn off faucet when not in use. Remember, water is not a renewable resource. Go for recycled materials. Look for the recyclable symbol in products you plan to buy.